National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Owen County until 6:30 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over New Castle, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Radar shows tornado debris in the air. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Owenton, Monterey, Grants, Squiresville, Elk Lake, New Columbus, Needmore, Beechwood, Harmony, Elmer Davis Lake, and Nutley. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.